In this video we would like to show you how to install the Calamp GPS trackers and also install a demobilization relay. The requirements are a 12-volt power source, the tracker and the relay. The tracker has 6 wires and 4 of them we will use. The red wire is positive 12 volt or 24 volt. And the negative is the black wire. The white wire is ignition. This cable is very important and it needs to be connected so it's plus 12 volt when the vehicle is turned on. I'm now connecting it here also just to 12 volt. The tracker has now its lights turned on and actually will start tracking. We see both stable lights, that means we have a connection and positions can be sent. And we should actually see ourselves now on the map.
Ich hab's geschubbt. Nein.
We see now that the tracker is reporting its position and it's correctly shown on the map. That is the connection of the relay. The relay allows to switch currents on and off. In its default position, there is connectivity between the red wire and the blue wire. That means this can be put in line in a power source for a pump or anything like that. In its default position, the pump will be on. There is a green wire, that's a signal wire, that will connect to the green wire that comes from the tracker, and the white wire from the relay goes to the plus. And now when the signal is sent, the relay switches and the pump will be disconnected. And we're trying that out now. We're connecting a beeper and that shows us that we have connectivity now. And now we're going to send the off command. And now the relay should disconnect and the beeper should stop. Command has been received now and it stopped now. So we have in this position now the car or vehicle would be demobilized because we're having a signal here, and that's why the relay disconnects the connectivity between blue and red.